Hello everyone, we have here a nice exponential equation. X to the power of x to the fourth minus 8 equals x. And in this video, we'll be looking for all the values of x. Alright, so any one of you guys who would like to solve the equation, feel free to pause the video, okay? Let's start. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 minus 8 equals x. If you notice, left and right hand side of the equation have the same base, and the right hand side is x to the power of 1. So from here, both sides have the same base. This simply means that we can equate their exponents. So the equation now becomes x to the power of 4 minus 8 is equal to 1. Arranging the terms of the equation, this is now x to the fourth minus 8 minus 1 equals 0. And x to the fourth minus 9 is equal to 0. So from here, there are two ways to solve for the values of x over here. One is transposing 9 to the right hand side and raising to the power of the reciprocal of 4 on both sides of the equation. And the other one is by utilizing the difference of squares. Since we can get this as square, 9 is a perfect square, and x to the fourth can be expressed as perfect square. Since x to the fourth can be expressed as x squared to the second power, and 9 can be written as 3 squared. Now this is equal to 0. So we have now the difference of squares. So we have a formula that is a squared minus b squared. This is equal to a minus b times the quantity a plus b. So from here on our equation, a is x squared, minus b, our b is 3, times the quantity a is x squared, plus b is 3. This is now equal to 0. So from here now, we can equate both factors to 0. So left hand side, x squared minus 3 equals 0. The other side, x squared plus 3 equals 0. Here, x squared is equals to 3. So x is equal to positive negative square root of 3. Right hand side, x squared is equal to negative 3. X is equal to positive negative square root of negative 3 on this, or this can be written as positive negative square root of 3 times I. So we have 4 roots of x. So therefore, our values of x are equal to positive square root of 3, negative square root of 3, and positive is square root of 3 times I, and the last value is negative square root of 3 times I. So these are the values of x, or the roots of x. And so that's all for now. And for those new to my channel, if you like this video, just don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more of these kind of videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.